Hello everyone, Bill McCarty here. Hopefully everybody's well. We're going to pick a lock, and I've got a lock in mind. I normally don't do stock, I only pick challenge locks, but I have this little Squire from my buddy Chris over in Germany, the One, and I want to send it off to another picker, so let's try and get it picked and then I can send it away. There you can see it works well. Check opens, no problem. It's got no tension on it till you get to right there, and then the spring tension starts. So, without further ado, let's see if we can get in this. I think a 40,000 is fit in the top of there. It's a pretty skinny keyway. Let's turn this over. Do we try an 18,000? Yeah, let's try an 18,000 gem. Not on 5. It's a little 5-pinner. Not on 5, not on 4. Okay, 1 I think I just overset. Like I said, I never hardly ever pick stock locks, guys. Okay, oh, we're open there. Here. All right, let's get this gutted right away. Let's not take it out of frame. Here's the keys. Now, I've never picked that lock before either, guys. It's got a little Phillips in the shackle here. Ooh, that might be a little too big for that. Yeah, I need a smaller. Yeah, I might make it. Yeah, I'm in it. Get this cord took apart right away. Am I far enough over, I hope? Yeah. There's the retaining plate. Here's the core. As you can see, we're still open. I'm going to try not to lock it up. There's no guarantees with these clips, guys. These clips can be tough. And I don't want to flip this because I don't want to drop all the pins out of it. Let's see if I can go with this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get in there now with these. I just stabbed myself. Yeah, that ain't going to work. I can't even see the end of the clip hardly. That's a hard little clip there, guys. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this back in the vise so I can use 2 screwdrivers on it. I might have to lock this back up. Like I said, I don't want to, but... Good Lord, that is a hard little clip. I'm going to lock it back up, guys. I have the key. Okay. There you go. Okay. Wow, that's a hard little clip there. Jeez. Where did I throw the keys? Over here. Okay, I do have... Let me find that little... Oh, it won't turn that way. I got to shim this. Yep. Even with that other follower, I won't be able to get... And it's a tight little cord, too. Sorry, I wasn't prepared for this video at all, guys. Where's my, there it is. I'm hoping that shim is just going to follow it straight through. Yeah, okay, we got it, guys. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what we got in here. 1, 2, 3. It's a 5-pin core. These little pins are so small. Standard in 1, standard in 2. I'm expecting standards through the whole thing, guys. I don't even think there's no spools upstairs or nothing, no security pins at all. Okay, there's the core. Pull our shim here. Obviously, we're going to mark the front of this. I just had a marker in my hand. Here it is. I mean, I can see which way it goes, but just in case when I'm putting it back together. No telling, guys. Okay, am I far enough? I hope I didn't go out of frame nowhere. 1 is a standard. It's going to have all stock springs in it too, guys. Well, 2 is a spool. Huh. 3 is a spool. Oh, it's got more than I thought it did in it. Let's go through the back for the last 2. 5 is a standard. I know I got the shakes still, guys. 3 is a spool. Very nice little lock. All the springs are the same, guys. Okay. All right, let me bring this down to the pinning board here. I'll show you what we got. It's nothing special, like I said. Standard in 1. Standard keep-in. Nice, pretty deep spool up above them. Standard keep-in in 3. Another spool. Standard keep-in in 4. Another spool. 5. Standard keep-in. And a standard upper. Okay, just a quick little video, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. There's another over the pins real fast. Have a great evening and good night.